cannot miss this Holi that's happening at Barasti, the Color Festival. It's a sold out event. As you can see in Platinum List, it's already sold out. And we have around 6,000 plus people already up and down, upper deck and down. I think it's a color fest that's happening here. So this is the place to party.
How does it feel bringing such a massive Holi style party back to Dubai?
Well, we were quite happy when this event has been organized by our company Eventique and the Nirvana Nightlife. I think without doubt this is the #1 Holi event of UAE, not just Dubai, UAE. I think it's a proud moment for us to get so many people, so many families, so many kids. Of course, the venue is a brilliant venue, Barasti, and it's a match day.
Yes.
But I think before the match, we can see so many people enjoying. So I think a lot of effort went from our end, and a lot of marketing, and a lot of support from people like Finance 360 and all our partners, our sponsors. You know, our main sponsor, Dugasta Properties, and Nikai, Yardley, and all our partners, you know. So all these efforts, I think, contributed to the success of this event.
What role do festivals like this play in bringing Dubai's diverse community together?
So of course, India, I mean, Dubai is, a place, thanks to the rulers of Dubai, a multicultural place.
Yes.
And I think we celebrate festivals here just the way we celebrate in India. And people don't miss India while they are in Dubai.
Very
so that's what, it's early Holi in Dubai.
Yes, months early.
So that's the brilliant thing about Dubai. So it's early Holi and there are more Holis to come.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of Dubai.
What makes this Color Festival 2026 bigger than the last year's event?
It blended with India versus Pakistan. Simply. It was bigger, better. We have 6,000 people coming up this time. It's basically because of India versus Pakistan and colors both combined together. So there's nothing, there's not a bigger experience in this.
How did you curate this DJ lineup to match the energy of a Holi celebration and India versus Pak?
I didn't. These all are my best friends. These are very good friends. I have not curated anything of. I call them up. Listen, you're in. That's it. There's no curating, nothing.
That's great. I think that is the best kind of party.
And these guys, I chill with them every day and all that stuff. So I don't think twice before booking them. They play for my regular events also.
Okay. How do you make sure that the celebration feels more authentic and more in touch with India and like the Colors Festival?
I don't do a lot of artists. I do more of the exhibition. I do a lot of activations. I do a lot of color, dole, and confetti blast. I do a lot of this. I don't do a lot of artists.
Okay.
So I like to keep it natural.
That's great. So are there any more events that are coming up this year that we should be excited about?
Yes, we have Dandias coming up.
Okay.
We are planning to do Holi again after Ramadan. So every year I do 2 Holis.
Okay.
One before Ramadan, one after Ramadan. So now I'm planning after Ramadan, then Dandias, and then New Year's again.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Hi. So how would you explain the spirit of Holi to the people who are attending for the first time?
If the first time they're experiencing it, they're gonna love it because of the region. They've been living in Dubai, having the best time, the entertainment, best experience, and of course the safe colors, organic colors. So that's the best I can say.
I'm sure you guys have a lot of repeat guests. So how do you help them believe that this year is completely new or like?
See, every year the matters is location, giving the best experience, giving the best service, giving the best entertainment, and the most best thing is giving the best offers.
My last question is that as you are screening India versus Pakistan today, what is your prediction for the match?
Of course, India is gonna win. Any doubt in that? Any doubt? You're gonna see the screaming for every wickets, every six, every post, every boundaries from the Indian side.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.